Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel and welcome to the Sandhya Presents, the year-end quiz fest in association with TechWas. So this is day 2 and we had quiz 2020 where we had the question related to the events of 2020. So here we go with the answers of the quiz 2020. So question number 1, we were looking for looking for the thing basically with the help of which these portraits were done by Varun Tandon. So this is MDH masala. So masala will give you full points. If you wrote masala, you will get 5 points, but MDH masala for full points. Moving to next question, question number 2, named after which Nobel laureate? Straightforward question, 2020 Nobel laureate. This is Roger Penrose. Moving to question number 3, which brand is this? These are some business stats of this particular brand in 2020. And there was small comparison of the UK supermarket from 2019. So which brand we were looking for? This brand is Corona. So Corona is what we were looking for. Moving to question number 4. Uh, Monkey Day is an unofficial international holiday celebrated on December 14. So, probably coincident at its best, this year something happened worldwide to show everyone a monkey on the Monkey Day. So, how or explain is what the question was. So, coincidence was this. So, YouTube error page. So, 14 December, YouTube, Google, everything went down, and on 14 December only, this particular image popped up whenever you tried to open the YouTube. So sorry, something went wrong. So YouTube error page is what we were looking for. So YouTube error page, full points. So even if you have wrote Google error page or something to do with the internet shutdown, something like that, will give you 5 points. But YouTube error page, error of YouTube will fetch you full points. Moving to question number 5, name the opponent of Helenen. So I said politics and 2020, and this was also the laddu of today's quiz. The answer being Kamala Harris. Question number 6. So identify the person, something tragic that happened while traveling from John Wayne Airport, which shocked the whole world. So what particular thing happened? So I identify this person. So this person declined to play 2000 Olympic because he was getting married in the off season. This is indeed Kobe Bryant. Identify the city where this clock tower is located. So this clock tower is located in a city called Mirzapur. So Mirzapur will fetch you full points. Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, full points. Moving to question number 8. So this person you can see here is Indulal Yagnik. So what something was introduced for the first time in 1950s that has regained into prominence in 2020. So this particular thing is basically Janta curfew. Janta curfew, full points. Moving to question number 9, identify the person and explain the context. You can see some names. George Floyd in the middle. So obviously this is BLM protest, Black Lives Matter protest. Black Lives Matter, and the person being Naomi Osaka. Naomi Osaka and BLM protest, full points. Either of them will fetch you 5 points. But if you have written both, then only you will get full 10 points. Moving to question number 10, easiest of all, which app is this? Go India, a virtual game. So which app is this? If one particular user visited all 30 cities before 26 December, they win a reward of rupees 101 to rupees 501. So this is Google Pay, and here you can see the new updated logo of Google Pay. So Google Pay is what we were looking for. Moving to question number 11, he is a well-known naturalist and a destination manager of a cruise. So what particular thing that came into limelight due to something he did in his field? So this is indeed golden tiger photo in Kaziranga. Kaziranga, golden tiger in Kaziranga, full points. Golden tiger, full points. Moving on to question number 12. So who is she and how we know her as? If you read carefully, uh, it is not very usual experience for a voiceover artist to get this kind of reaction, recognition and attention. So she had no idea that this thing is going to become so viral. So this particular thing is कोरोना वायरस या कोविड 19 से आज पूरा देश लड़ रहा है, मगर याद रहे हमें बीमारी से लड़ना है, बीमार से नहीं. So this is indeed Jaslene Bhalla and the voice of the COVID caller tune. So voice of the COVID caller tune and Jaslene Bhalla will fetch you full 10 points, 5 points for either. So as I said, the most irritating voice of 2020, probably I was not wrong. So Jaslene Bhalla and the voice of the COVID caller tune will fetch you full 10 points. What was this match all about? If you see 9th February 2020, early part of 2020, Ponding 11 won by 1 run. So what was this match all about? So this is indeed Australian bushfire, the big appeal match. So big appeal match or Australian bushfire collection of funds, something like that. If you have written any funda related to Australian bushfire, will fetch you full 10 points. Moving to question number 14, identify the company in question. 5 rupees Chotu pack came handy for many migrants who walked miles to get back home. Many volunteers, philanthropists distributed them in sacks full to the needy. So the product being Parle-G and the company being Parle Products Private Limited. So Parle-G won't do. You need to write Parle Products Private Limited or Parle Products will do. So Parle Products, good enough. Parle-G won't do. We'll see. If no one wrote Parle Products Private Limited or Parle Products, we can give 5 points for Parle-G as well. So before moving on to next question, I would like to thank Rushmita for this question. Moving to next question. Question number 15. So this bright green installation made headlines in July 2020 when it toured the second largest city in Czech Republic. So what is this green ball basically? So green installation basically. And what is this tribute to? So this 7-meter P to Tor Berno and Mark Gregor Berno to Mark Gregor Mandel's birthday, 200th birthday basically. So basically Gregor Mendel 200 birthday celebration, something like that. If you have written green P in biology, something like that you have written. So this is a tribute to Gregor Mendel bicentennial. So that is what I'm looking for, Gregor Mendel's bicentennial or green P of Gregor John Mendel, good enough. Moving to next question. Question 17. Identify the legend whom we lost in the end of 2020. So who is this? His slow pace gained him a nickname of Pocaro. So who is he? So Sabela will fetch you full points. So moving on to question number 18. Should be question numbers. Okay, let's see. Where you can see this photo in the context of 2020. So this is Shaggy Bain by Douglas Todd. So the Booker Prize, the 2020 Booker Prize is what we were looking for. So 2020 Booker Prize, Shaggy Bain by Douglas Todd, good enough. Question number 18. So what particular beverage is being talked about? When we say 2020, the only beverage that should come into your mind is Dalgona coffee. So Dalgona coffee, good enough. So you are done with the penultimate question. Before moving on to the final question, thank you for watching the full video. Do subscribe the channel if you haven't done yet. Do share with your friends. Like the video. And here we go with the final question. Question number 19, as I said, one of my favorite actor. Question on my one of my favorite actor. It's 2020. Which actor played the role of Ashok Ganguly in this movie? So this movie is basically Namesake, and the actor being Irfan Khan. So that's all from this video. Thank you for watching. So see you tomorrow in the general quiz by Shubham Chanda. He will be coming with his set of questions tomorrow in front of you. Hope you will join there as well. Thank you.